Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Finding the QR code in Microsoft Outlook is easy if you know where to look. Most people need this code to sync their email account with a mobile phone. To find it, start by opening Outlook on your desktop computer or web browser. Sign into your account using your standard credentials. Look at the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon representing your settings. Click this icon to open the settings menu. From there, select the option for View All Outlook Settings at the bottom. A new window will appear with several categories on the left side. Click on General and then choose Mobile Devices from the list. You should see a button or link that says Get the app or Add a device. Clicking this button will display a unique QR code on your monitor. Take your smartphone and open the camera app or a specialized QR scanner. Point your phone at the computer screen to capture the code. This action will automatically link your account and prompt you to download the Outlook mobile app. If you are already logged in on your phone and need a code for security, go to your Microsoft account's security page. Look for the two-step verification or authenticator app section. Microsoft uses these codes to verify your identity and keep your data safe. Ensure your software is updated to the latest version to see these options clearly. Following these steps will help you stay connected across all your devices without typing long passwords. It makes the transition from your desktop to your mobile device seamless and fast.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.